Ever wondered what really happens behind the scenes when you click the Pay Now button on your favorite online store? Today, we're demystifying the magic of Stripe, the popular payment processing platform, and breaking down exactly how it gets your money from you to the merchant, securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, the customer initiates a purchase on a website or application that integrates with Stripe. They enter their payment information, such as their credit card number, expiry date, and CVC. Stripe securely receives this payment information, and importantly, the merchant server never directly handles sensitive card details, significantly reducing their security burden. Stripe then acts as the intermediary, communicating with the customer's bank. Next comes authentication and authorization. Stripe sends a request to the customer's bank to verify the card details and ensure sufficient funds are available. The bank authenticates the cardholder, often using methods like 3D Secure, and then authorizes the transaction if everything checks out. Once authorized, the customer's bank transfers the funds, minus any applicable fees, to the merchant's bank, again facilitated by Stripe's secure network. The funds are then deposited into the merchant's Stripe account, and an order confirmation is sent to the customer. The merchant can then withdraw these funds to their own bank account based on their Stripe payout schedule. Throughout this entire process, Stripe employs robust security measures, including tokenization, encryption, and fraud detection systems to protect sensitive data and prevent fraudulent transactions. So, that's the core process of how Stripe payment works, from secure data transfer to authentication and authorization. Stripe streamlines the entire flow of funds, making online transactions seamless for both customers and merchants.